Hi, this is Hugo from Colosscious. Today I'm going to show you how to install Pharmquer Community by containers like Pharmquer or Docker in simply few steps. For those who haven't know what Pharmquer is, Pharmquer is a cloud-based BI platform designed for pharmaceuticals, especially CDMO. You can manage all of your data, conduct data analysis, publish dashboards with fully privileged control and data integrities. Pharmquer Community is totally free. You can just follow me in this video to install it and start to use it directly. Besides community version, Colosscious provides data integration services, consultants, and more advanced versions of Pharmquer, which you can conduct more advanced statistics, machine learning, or deep learning methods. So if you need any help or services mentioned above, please feel free to contact us. So let's start it. First is to set up container service in your environment. If you are using cloud services or you already have on-premise container service, you can just skip this part. Here I recommend to install container services by official package provided by Pharmquer and Docker. We can download the installation packages by the links here and finish the installation by the guidance. I'm using Pharmquer desktop in this video. You can choose whatever you want. If you want to learn more about containers or Kubernetes, comment to let me know. After container service is set up, we are going to pull the image of Pharmquer Community. You can visit Pharmquer Community's page in Docker Hub. We document all the examples and the configurations in the page. So here I just copy the command from the Docker Hub and pull the image. Alternatively, you can conduct the image polling with desktop view as well. Next, let's open Pharmquer desktop. Okay, here you can see the image we just downloaded. The image exposes two ports. 1234 is Pharmquer app. 5432 is built-in Postgres for testing. And we will talk about environmental variables later. You can use environmental variables to set up the configurations. Here, mounting a persistent volume is suggested, but since I'm just testing it now, so I will leave it blank. Okay, let's click Start Container. Container will need minutes to initialize. After you see the link, it shows, meaning that it's ready to access. Let's open the browser and paste the link. And the default account and password are admin. After successfully login, remember to change your password right away. In user management page, you can add all users later. Pharmquer Community only allows to have one admin user, so please remember your password carefully. The image comprises a demo dataset for you to do some testing. Let's go to Quick Query to have a glimpse. And here is an arbitrary demo dashboard. You can make one by yourself. And no worries if you haven't known how to use PharmBI. We will talk about it in next video in very detail. And Quick Query is an interface for you to connect to your databases. We will talk how to make a quick query page in next video. In this video, we will talk about how to set up a connection to your own database. This represents the conceptual architecture of Pharmquer. The illustration comprises two primary components. First is Pharmquer itself and a built-in Postgres database. Now, for the best performance when using this system for production environment, it's crucial to have a separate and well-organized database. You can choose your preferred connections using environmental variables. Let's move to the Pharmquer's page on Docker Hub. Here, as you can see, the configuration with the sys prefix is intended for setting up the database where the Pharmquer system tables are located. The system tables will be created during the container's initialization, while the data prefix are designated for your data warehouse. A reminder, The database user for system tables must be granted full privileges for create, read, update, and delete operations, as well as other necessary operations on tables. This is an imperative, as management operations will be carried out through this user. Okay, I think that's all the content today. The video is a little bit too long. And here is the GitHub page of Pharmquer Community. If you encountered any issues or bugs, you can raise the issue here or DM to let me know. If you'd like to learn more about Pharmquer, contact us via the link. And don't forget to like this video, follow us on LinkedIn, and subscribe to this channel. Bye!